What to consider for regulatory filing. By mantalk.com. Product development and regulatory perspectives. As you can see here, drug development is very complex and lengthy process, and the stages at which we need to file a regulatory submission, as NDA or IND, US FDA. It is under Department of Health and Human Services. It regulates biologics, food, drugs, devices, and veterinary products. It is having 8 offices for different functions like biologics such as vaccines and blood products, devices, animal products, etc. This is web portal of us FDA showing CFR and how to look for database. FDA acknowledged here and in coming slides. Preclinical data. Before any clinical trial can be initiated, a number of non-clinical studies need to be conducted that provide the evidence necessary to support the safety of administering the compound to humans. Important considerations for determining the nature of such studies and their timing with respect to clinical trials include targeted disease area, chronic disease, cancer, etc. Duration of drug exposure and total drug exposure. Characteristics of drug, T1/2, bioavailability, ADMET, etc. Special population targeted, older patients, children, etc. Route of administration, intravenous, intramuscular, oral, etc. NDA versus ANDA. These are the apparent differences between them. In ANDA it is bioequivalence, which replaces last 3 processes. NDA forms. These are the various forms for NDA, for archival, microbiology, pharmacology, etc. These are NDA forms. CMC information, chemistry, manufacturing, and control. It is a description of the composition, methods of manufacture, specifications and control procedures for the drug substance and the drug product. It also includes an environmental impact analysis statement for the manufacturing process and for the ultimate use of the drug. Chemistry, manufacture, and control. It includes strength, identity, purity, potency, quality of a product. Important characteristics of drug substance and drug product. Structural elucidation, impurity-related substances, solubility, critical relevant characteristics, critical manufacturing information, stability, RT and accelerated, description, degradation product, dissolution, drug substance, 1. Name, 2. Structural formulae or chemical name, 3. Physical and chemical properties, 4. Proof of structure, 5. Stability, 6. Manufacturer, 7. Method of manufacture, starting materials, solvents, drug substance synthesis, antibiotics, reprocessing, specifications, and analytical methods. Drug product, 1. Components, 2. Composition, 3. Specifications and analytical methods for inactive components, 4. Manufacturer, 5. Method of manufacture, packaging procedure, and in-process control, 6. Stability, 7. Environmental assessment, bridging of data, Successful bridging of data, pre-IND Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3 with commercial product is required for obtaining NDA/BLA approval. The careful preparation of the manufacturing and control section in an NDA or ANDA can facilitate the FDA processing, review, and approval procedures. Labeling information. CFR 21 Part 201. Subpart A General Labeling Provisions. Subpart B Labeling Requirements for Prescription Drugs and Insulin. Subpart C Labeling Requirements for OTC drugs. Subpart D Exemptions from adequate directions for use. Subpart E Other exemptions. Subpart F Labeling Claims for drugs and drug efficacy study. Subpart G Specific Labeling Requirements for specific drug products. Environment Impact Considerations. This is how environment gets affected by our drug. CFR 21 Part 25. Subpart A General Provisions. Subpart B Agency Actions Requiring Environmental Considerations. Subpart C Categorical Exclusions. Subpart D Preparation of Environmental Documents. Subpart E Public Participation and Notification of Environmental Documents. Subpart F Other Requirements. Environment Impact by Drugs Issues. Categorical Exclusion. Extraordinary Measures. CITES, Convention on International Trade of Endangered Species in Flora and Fauna. ESA, Endangered Species Act. IC, Expected Introduction Concentration into the environment. That is 1 part per billion. Thank you for watching.